Okay, so if you look at this triangle, you're going to figure out a pattern. Do you know how they got 2 here? They got 1 plus 1, which is 2. Do you know how they got 3 here? 2 plus 1 is 3. So how do you think I'm going to get this number? 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay? How do you think I'm going to get this number? 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay? And this number? 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay? I'm going to do another roll for you. To get this number, it's 4 plus 1, which is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5. Can you guys finish that, please? Okay, so what does Pascal's triangle allow you to do? So, for example, 8, 3. You know how we write these numbers here? Pascal's triangle allows you to figure this number out really quick. 8 combination 3. So basically, you go to the row with 8. So which one says 8? Like 1, 8. 8 right here, right? And then you remember you start at 0 here. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 8 choose 3 is 56. Okay, one more time. You go to 8. Now I wouldn't start at 0. I'll just count from here. What number is that? 3. So count here. 1, 2, 3, which is 56. Okay? One more time. Let's try 10, 2. So go ahead and where do you start? 10. And you count how many times? 2. 1, 2, which is 45.
Count 10 as a 1?
Yeah, you count from here. Okay? Or you can start here and count at 0. 0, 1, 2. 0, 0, 1, 2. Okay? So one more time. Let's try that again. Let's go 6, 4. Figure that out. Just using Pascal's triangle. All you have to do is go to the 6th row and count 4 times. So start at 6 and count 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You said to start at 1.
No, if you start at 1, you start at 0. Okay. Start at 6, count 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 15.
How do you find out about this?
Are we good? Alright, someone came up with it. Alright? Now, I'm going to let you know, they're not going to give you the triangle. They're never ever going to give you the triangle. So if you need to draw it out, I'll show you how to draw it out. Okay? Let's try 3a. Let's go 3a. Find the 4th term. So you need 3 parentheses to find the 4th term. Just the class. Okay? The first term is x. So you put that in the middle, right? Where do you put the second term?
Right.
Okay, so go ahead and put that there, and then you got 5. To get the 4th term, what number is that?
3.
3. So you put 3 here. Yeah. Do you guys remember how to get the 4th term?
Yeah.
You start at 0 and count 4 terms. Okay. 3 goes here. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. So don't even look at the triangle up here. Let's just draw it out really quick. Start at 1. I'll show you how to draw it out, so that you can draw it out. You start at 1, and you remember the pyramid is going to be 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, because 1 and 1 is 2. 1, 3, 3, 1. And you only want to draw it out till you get to what row? 5. So you want to get to 5. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Okay, I got to 5, right? So here's 5, and count how many times. It says 5, 3, right? So count how many times. 1, 2, 3. So it goes there. So 5 combination 3 is 10. Are we good?
That's the answer.
That's just the answer for that. 5 combination 3. X squared is x squared. 2 cubed is 8y cubed. Okay, what do we do with the numbers? We multiply. So 8 times 10, 80 x squared y cubed. You're done. Okay, 5b, find the 3rd term. So 3 parentheses. Okay, so Ivan, help me out. What goes in the middle?
X.
X, great. Hugo, what goes in the 3rd parenthesis? Negative 1, great. Glenda, what goes on the top number? 6, great. Joshua, what goes on the bottom number? 2. Angelica, what goes to the exponent of x?
3,
No, exponent of x.
4,
Yeah, 4. Thank you. Jeremy, what goes in the exponent of negative 1? 2. Okay, are we good? Okay, so go to the 6th row and count 2. So where's the 6th row here? 6th row is right here. Count 2. So 1, 2. What number is that? 15. So 6 combination 2 is 15. X to the 4th is x to the 4th. Negative 1 squared is negative 1 times negative 1, which is 1. Okay, multiply those numbers. 15 times 1 is 15x to the 4th. That's your answer. Are we good? 3A and 3B. Number 4. Find the 8th term. So we need 3 parentheses. The first term is 3x, so we put there 1, and then the power is 9, so we put 9. The 8th term, 0, 1, 2, you get to 7. Okay? 7 goes in the exponent of 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay? We want to find 9 combination 7. So go to the 9th row and count 7. Okay, when you count 7, where did you end up at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 36. Since it's multiple choice, what do you think? It's A, B, or C? C. Make sense? Right. Number 2. Find the first 3 terms. So how many terms do you need to find? 3. So you draw 3 out, like that. Okay, the first term you can use a shortcut, 2x to the 5th. To the 5th. 32, x to the 5th. Okay, we're done with the first term. Second term, draw 3 parentheses. So 2x, 3. 5. To find the second term, 0, 1. So this is 1, 1, 4. Okay, so go to the 5th row, the first one. 5th row, first one is 5. What do you think the 7th row first one is? 7. What do you think the 10th row first one is? 10. What do you think the 12th row first one is? 12. So 5th row first one is 5. To the 4th. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, x to the 4th. 3 to the 1st. 3. Multiply the numbers. 5 times 16 is 80. 80 times 3 is 240. X to the 4th. Okay, and we want to find the third term. So 3 parentheses again. So 2x, 3, 5. I want to find the third term, 0, 1, 2. So that's 2. 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, 5th row, second one. 5 combination 2. 5th row, second one, which is 10. 2 cubed. 8. 3 squared. 3 times 3? 9. Alright, so multiply the numbers. 9 times 8? 72 times 10? 720 x cubed. Okay, now you have all 3. Just write your answer. Let's write it right here. 32 x to the 5th plus 240 x to the 4th plus 720 x to the 3rd. Any questions? And the last one, number 5, and then I'm done for the notes for today. This means, multiply this out how many times? 4 times. Okay. Now, if you forget the theorem, you can just multiply it out 4 times. I'm going to use binomial theorem. How many terms will we have if you take it to the 4th? There's just 4 plus 1, which is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Any questions there? Okay, so let's use a shortcut for the first one. 3y to the 4th. 3 to the 4th. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 times 3, 81 y to the 4th. And you can do that for the last one. How do you use the last one? what term do you use? Do you use the first term or the second term?
Second.
So negative 1 to the fourth. Negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. 1. Okay, so find the second term. Use 3 parentheses. First term is 3y. Negative 1, 4. To find the second term, 0, 1. Alright, so draw the triangle if you need to. Alright, so for the first one, what's for the first one? 4 combination 1 is 4. 3 cubed, 27, y cubed times negative 1. 4 times 27 times negative 1 is negative something. What is it? Glenda, what is 4 times 27? Yeah, use a calculator. Thank you. Y cubed. Okay, let's do the next one. The third term. 4, 3y, negative 1. Okay, so third term. 0, 1, 2. So this is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. The exponent, 2. Okay, do the math. On the fourth row, second term. Fourth row, second term, which is 6. So 6. 3 squared, 9, y squared. Negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. Okay, so multiply the numbers. 9 times 6 times 1. 54 y squared. Okay, and the last one. 4 choose 3. And then 3y to the 1. And then negative 1 to the third. 4 choose 3. Fourth row, third one. 1, 2, 3, which is 4. So this is 4. 3 to the first is 3y. Negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1, negative 1. 4 times 3 times negative 1. Negative 12y. Okay, you have all your terms, just write out your answer. So let's go ahead and write our answer. 81 y to the fourth minus 108 y to the third plus 54 y squared minus 12y plus 1. That's your answer. So if you were to multiply it out 4 times, that's what you get. Any questions?